So you're wondering whether PCEX Exchange is legit or just another crypto scam. Here's the another full breakdown. PCEX looks professional on the outside, but don't be fooled. Behind the sleek website and big promises, it's raising serious red flags. First off, the platform isn't regulated by any well-known financial authority. That means if something goes wrong, there's no safety net, no help, and no way to recover your funds. Now let's talk about withdrawals. Many users report that getting their money out is a nightmare. Delays, excuses, and sometimes nothing at all. It gets worse. PCEX use high pressure marketing and guarantees big profits with little risk. If that sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Even though they claim to have a US money service business certification, that doesn't mean they're safe or legit. It's not the same as being fully regulated. So, what's the verdict? PCEX shows all the signs of being a scam. If you're thinking of using it, don't. Stick to well known regulated crypto exchanges and always research before you invest. Stay safe out there and thank for watching.